Time to get a truck wash here at the Streaking Beacon here in Cuba, Missouri. And we'll see how good of a job they do. They didn't do too bad last time I was here. I've heard good things and bad things. You know how it is. Depends on what your standards are too, I guess. Anyways, let's get her washed up. It definitely needs it. Well, here's the final result. Not too bad. Definitely needs some, I paid 38 bucks. Rear wheels look really good. Front wheels, not as much. I gotta get them polished hard. Anyways, not too bad. Like I said, I paid 38 bucks because I had a discount for the Rain-X, and then I had a 10% card that I've got for a year that they gave me with the truck. So, yep.